Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will briefly show you and tell you how you can view your backup photos in your Google Photo. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. So first, we need to make sure we have our backup settings enabled. To do that, we need to go into Google Photo. Then in the top right corner, we click on our image. Then we click on Google Photo Settings. Next, we click on Backup. And we need to make sure that this backup feature is enabled. That's how I have it. If you have this button grayed out, then you just need to toggle it. And then we need to log out of Google Photo and go to a web browser. I'm going to use Safari. And here we need to go to photos.google.com in the search box. Then we're going to get a page like this. It's important for us to make sure that we're logged into our Google Photos account. To do that, we click on the three bars in the top left corner. And if we see our photo here, then this is definitely our account. We can see absolutely all the photos here, all the backups. We can flip like this, we can flip like this. There is a slider here, click on it, and this is how we scroll through all our photos. This is a very easy way to see your backup photos in Google Photo. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you next time.